Today I'm going to share with you our tidying routine. I usually do this routine every single morning, either before or after we do the school drop-off. Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. So today I'm just going to show you what our house looks like in the mornings. This is what it looks like most mornings. Sometimes it looks better, sometimes it looks worse, but I just do a general tidy every single morning and start off on a fresh note. And yes, even though I consider us minimalist, our house still becomes a mess, but it's very quick and easy to tidy up. We don't put anything in that guest room and no one really goes in there, but sometimes the kids go in there, bring some toys and hang out on that bed, which is fine. But that's just part of my tidy, is going room to room and finding what doesn't belong in the room, grabbing it, bringing it into the room that it belongs in. Once I'm in a room, I like to put as much away as I can before I leave the room. That way I'm not coming back and forth in and out. One tip that I read and love is once you grab an item, take it all the way to where it needs to go instead of having to set it down, pick it back up. Once you have it, put it completely away. Right now I am tidying things. That's just picking things up, putting them in the right place. I'm not actually cleaning. This is just my morning tidy routine. And one thing that I read in the Fly Lady book, which just stuck with me, I don't necessarily follow her program to a T, although I think I might try to start implementing that more and more. But one thing she said was that instead of getting angry at your family or your husband for not picking up their laundry or making their bed and then being angry about it all day, and every time you see it you get more and more mad that they didn't do it themselves, why am I having to do it? Instead, she says, just do it, tidy it up, and make it nice, and then you're happy, the job is done, your house looks nice, and you're not angry all day. And that really stuck with me because definitely I was the type of person who would say, I'm not gonna clean that up, and just get really angry all day about it. So now I just tidy it myself. They help when they can, but other than that, I just do it, and then my house is nice. I can enjoy my home, and I think everyone else sees a nice place and then they pick up on that and they clean more and tidy more as well. That Lego out because Emmett's still playing with those projects. This room here is pretty much always tidy. Sometimes there'll be a random shoe or pillow, but this room is normally pretty good. Comment below if your kids do this to your living room. Pull all the cushions off. Method to gather things up, and luckily there was a basket left out as well. So I just threw everything in this basket, and I'm gonna do that as I go around the rest of the house, and then I will go room to room and drop off the items, put them away in their proper place. Whenever we get a new couch, I'm gonna make sure the top pillows can't come off because this is a major pain. One rule I like to follow is called the flat surface rule, and that is to just clear off any flat surface, and that will make your home look so much cleaner and more put together, and it's such an easy, quick task to make your home look so much better. dishes, but I'm just gonna do these really quick because there's only a few of them and I'm already in here.
Enchanté.
One thing I just got for our kitchen sink, I got this little, it's called Squish, and this goes in the drain. It helps gather any food that might go down the wrong side, and then you can actually plug it with the top piece. So I'll link this below because I've been using this for a little while now and I just love it, and it was really inexpensive. This has made a big difference with making it easier and cleaner on the one side. So when I come in the door, I put my purse in here, any mail, things that I need to go through. So every morning and night, I like to just look through here really quick, take out what I need to put away in its proper place. And I also just like to make sure that this is really mostly for my purse and the few items I need to get out the door. So I know for a fact there's way too much in here right now. I guess you could call this my junk drawer. We don't have a junk drawer. I just find it easier to put everything where it should actually go. So I'm just gonna put these in the basket to be dropped off in my bedroom. The purse is the only thing that should go in here. Here's my basket of stuff, and now I'm just gonna go around and put this all in its proper place. As you can see, when you have a 3-year-old, things just keep on coming. Our bedroom is the one place I never have to worry about tidying because I make my bed the second I get out of it, and I always put everything away in our bedroom immediately. This tidy routine is something that I do every morning and every evening, and it usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes. It's just getting everything back in its proper location, and since we've become more minimal and more organized and everything has a home, it's very easy to put this house together. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button to join my Simple Living channel, and also check out our vlogging channel. I'll link it below. We do day in the life videos of our Simple Living family, and I'll see you next time. Bye.